Entrepreneurship and Business Advice, Navigating the Path to Success. Entrepreneurship has become a key driver of innovation, economic expansion, and societal advancement in the dynamic corporate environment. For those who are willing to take the plunge, the entrepreneurial journey offers limitless prospects despite its obstacles, risks, and uncertainties. Fortunately, platforms like YouTube and its specific channels, like Entrepreneurship and Business Advice, make it easier than ever in this digital age to get insightful advice and knowledge. In this essay, we explore the relevance of these channels and how they help budding and seasoned business people alike find success. The rise of entrepreneurship. Globally, the entrepreneurial spirit has grown during the past 10 years. An increasing number of people are starting their own businesses, propelled by technological breakthroughs, a thriving startup ecosystem, and a desire for independence. This upsurge in interest has given rise to innumerable entrepreneurs and creative company concepts in a variety of industries. The challenges of entrepreneurship. Being your own boss and achieving lofty goals may be alluring, but business has its challenges. The trip is fraught with difficulties like fierce market competition, budgetary restrictions, complex regulatory issues, and unanticipated setbacks. Many potential business owners struggle with issues related to strategy, funding, scaling, and client acquisition. The role of entrepreneurship and business advice. The Entrepreneurship and Business Advice YouTube channel appears in this scenario as a compass for people navigating the choppy waters of entrepreneurship. This source is crucial since it provides a wealth of information, guidance, and inspiration. The channel offers a wide variety of programming that targets the most current challenges and opportunities in the business world, hosted by sector experts, seasoned entrepreneurs, and experienced business executives. Key themes and content. To support entrepreneurs at every point of their journey, Entrepreneurship and Business Advice curates content on a broad range of topics. Major subjects include 1. Business strategy. The channel assists business owners in laying a strong basis for their operations, from creating a comprehensive business strategy to spotting growth prospects. 2. Financial management. Effective money management is essential for long-term business viability. The channel provides advice on financial planning, budgeting, and locating funding sources. 3. Leadership and management. Any successful business is built on strong leadership. Viewers can pick up useful leadership abilities, team-building strategies, and methods for promoting a great workplace culture. 4. Marketing and branding. In the digital age, a company's ability to market itself and build its brand may make or break it. The network offers business owners techniques for establishing a strong brand and connecting with their intended market. 5. Entrepreneurial mindset. Success requires having the proper mindset, which must be developed. The book Entrepreneurship and Business Advice places a strong emphasis on fortitude, flexibility, and a growth-oriented mindset. Impact on aspiring entrepreneurs. It is impossible to exaggerate the influence of programs like Entrepreneurship and Business Advice on aspiring business owners. The channel enables people to make informed decisions, take calculated chances, and conquer obstacles with confidence by offering helpful guidance, real-life case studies, and actionable suggestions. Conclusion. In conclusion, entrepreneurship continues to be a significant force behind innovation and economic success. To properly navigate such challenging terrain, you will need grit, talent, and direction. Entrepreneurship and Business Advice fills a critical gap by providing entrepreneurs with a plethora of information and encouragement along the way. These priceless assets act as beacons of light, blazing the road to success for numerous people trying to make their dreams come true as we enter an era of increased entrepreneurial ventures. This channel provides proof of the transforming power of education and community in the entrepreneurship world. Whether you're a budding business owner or an experienced executive looking for inspiration, thank you for watching this video.